To answer that question is, to a certain degree, I can. It's interesting because, like in certain situations, the wheelchair actually helped me. For instance, remember on the third Transformers movie, well, starting on the second Transformers movie because of my mobility impairment, on the second Transformers movie in 2008, I was still walking, but with a cane, and obviously I couldn't get to where, like, couldn't climb certain places. So they began hiring a second photographer to kind of back me up. But even in that situation, like when we were filming in Chicago in 2010 on the third Transformers movie, there was one scene, one setup where these men in these like flying squirrel suits were going to be diving off a building, and that was like, they were filming them from like 6 or 8 blocks away, and I was in my wheelchair. I was able to get, so I was directly underneath them as they were diving off, and the other photographer they hired couldn't get there. So in that aspect, it helped me. So in some ways it's okay. And plus, as I said, for instance, on the through experience, I've been able to develop a sense of what can be used and what won't be used. So as I said, there's so many, taking 60,000 frames and I'm only using like 20 for the promotion. I developed a sense of what was good. So many times I felt like I could get stuff from the wheelchair, but that wasn't the perception of me by the studio people. So once I became fully wheelchair bound where I couldn't stand up anymore, which was, at the beginning in early 2013, then my phone just basically went quiet.